For years, the fear was that robots would replace warehouse workers and drivers first, but the reality of the last 2 years is an aggressive pivot toward the automation of the intellectual class. Sal Khan, the creator of Khan Academy, has a unique view of this transition. He operates at the center of global education and technological development, and he's watching the definition of work change in real time. Take the recent case of an outsourced call center in the Philippines. By deploying AI to handle customer queries, they automated 80% of their workload almost overnight. Hundreds of jobs were eliminated, yet the company's total output didn't drop at all. This reaches the highest levels of the technical world. Even at Google, AI is now responsible for generating 75% of all new code. Because of this, the walls between professional roles are crumbling. When a product manager or a designer can use AI to write functional code, the traditional boundaries of their jobs effectively disappear. The hard technical skills that once required a 4-year degree have become commodities. In this new environment, your past credentials no longer guarantee your future safety. Khan's first rule for survival is to stop treating AI as a threat to your job and start using it to automate your own workflow before your employer does. One engineer at Khan Academy demonstrated this by running multiple AI agents at the same time, effectively hiring a team of digital assistants to write, check, and test his code simultaneously. By leveraging these tools, he finished a project that would normally take 4 months of manual labor in a single weekend. To replicate this, you have to integrate these tools into your actual environment. Give AI access to your emails, your scheduling, and your repositories so it can act as a proactive assistant rather than just a chatbot. Success now depends on your ability to stop being a manual contributor and start acting as the manager of your own synthetic workforce. As technical tasks become automated, the market is shifting its value toward durable skills, the human traits that AI cannot replicate. These are the abilities that allow teams to function: clear communication, critical thinking, empathy, and the capacity to lead others through uncertainty. This makes roles centered on human connection the safest harbors. A teacher who acts as a mentor, a salesperson who serves as a trusted advisor, or a nurse providing emotional support. These roles rely on things a machine cannot synthesize. In a world where machines provide the logic, humans must provide the meaning. Authentic connection and strategic empathy are the new premium currencies. For a century, we used prestigious degrees as proxies for talent. But when AI can pass the bar exam or a medical board, a high GPA from a top school loses its power as a signal. Khan is currently building a new educational model that bypasses the system, partnering with companies like Microsoft and McKinsey to create a direct pipeline based on performance, not prestige. Instead of multiple-choice tests, students are judged on their ability to solve simulations, like building a business prototype or conducting a client research sprint under pressure. Employers are looking for tangible data on how you solve problems. They are increasingly willing to overlook a legacy degree if you can show a portfolio of real-world projects completed with AI tools. To survive this transition, you must stop relying on the reputation of your school and start building a verifiable track record of execution. The next 5 years will be difficult, as localized sectors face displacement. But the long-term shift allows for a more human way of working. By automating the repetitive intellectual labor of call centers and basic coding, we are finally moving away from the industrial-era model of work. We are eliminating the need for humans to function as robotic components in a digital machine. Khan's advice is simple: don't follow the crowd. Find the uncrowded niches where human empathy and master-level tech skills intersect. To master the tools of tomorrow, stay informed today. Subscribe to AI Vanguard. Like, comment, and share to stay ahead.